Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB NTPC. Who among the following was a famous slave of Alauddin Khilji? Your right answer is Malik Kafur. Option C is your correct answer. Which of these link covers connecting to the Vindhya and Satpura range? Your right answer is Mackle. Right. Option C is your correct answer. The main objective of the economic responsibility and budget management. Your right answer is economic aggregation. Option B is your correct answer. The Kilimanjaro mountain range is in which continent? Your right answer is Africa. Option B is your correct answer. The United Nations Development Programme released their first human development report in dash. Your right answer is 1990. Option A is your correct answer. The semi-arid tropical savanna region of Africa is known as dash. Your right answer is Sahel. Option C is your correct answer. What is the provision of emergency for which Indian Constitution? Your right answer is Part 18th. Option D is your correct answer. What is the concept of the Supreme Court counseling jurisdiction? Your right answer is Canadian. Option B is your correct answer. Labhan is a famous folk dance of dash. Your right answer is Maharashtra. Option B is your correct answer. The process of copying the genetic information on the RNA from one of the DNA is called dash. Your right answer is transcription. Option A is your correct answer. Who is appointed by the Supreme Court of India? Your right answer is President. Option C is your correct answer. Who separate the Meghalaya Plateau from Malda Khand? Your right answer is Indian Peninsula Plateau. Option B is your correct answer. Which game is associated with the dribbling skill? Your right answer is hockey. Option A is your correct answer. What kind of recruitment comes when the sun, moon and earth are aligned? Your right answer is spacing recruitment. Option B is your correct answer. What is the name of the disorder caused by the presence of an extra chromosome 21? Your right answer is Down syndrome. Option B is your correct answer. Summer Olympic 2018 in which country? Your right answer is Argentina. Option C is your correct answer. Picture of Ajitha are dash common themes. Your right answer is Buddhist. Option A is your correct answer. What is the uneven distribution of light intensity due to the overwhelming power of 2 was? Your right answer is interference. Option D is your correct answer. The concept of social, economic and political justice have been taken from which revolution? Your right answer is Russian Revolution. Option D is your correct answer. Who is considered the last signativist of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is Supreme Court. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the tallest plateau in the world? Your right answer is Tibetan Plateau. Option B is your correct answer. The rate at which the bank lends to bank is called dash. Your right answer is bank rate. Option B is your correct answer. The dipole slope per unit rectangle is called dash. Your right answer is polarization. Option D is your correct answer. What is the location of pollen grain in the females in feminine intersections? Your right answer is pollination. Option A is your correct answer. Which one of the following is not related to Kho game skills? Your right answer is dribble. Option D is your correct answer. Who among these was a famous traveler from Venice? Your right answer is Marco Polo. Option A is your correct answer. In Milind Panau, who gave the answer to questions related to Buddhism in Milind? Your right answer is Nageshwar. Option A is your correct answer. Dash, the country had made national planning for the first time. Your right answer is Russia. Option B is your correct answer. The inferior valley between Junior Himalayas and Shivalik is also called dash. Your right answer is Dons. Option B is your correct answer. The process of producing electric current through the variable magnetic field is called dash. Your right answer is electromagnetic induction. Option C is your correct answer. Which states are included in the Mohadayi Water Dispute Tribunal? Your right answer is Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Option D is your correct answer. Asia, North America. Your right answer is Bering Strait. Option D is your correct answer. In which of the Yojana, the helpless Bhujayana exhibit. Your right answer is Cobra. In which of the Yajna, the helpless Bhujanasan exhibit? Cobra. Option B is your correct answer. The new alluvial lands formed in the river path are called as. Your right answer is Khadar. Option A is your correct answer. What formula is used to find a very simple ratio of the number of atoms in a compound? Your right answer is formal formula. Option B is your correct answer. Who is caretaker president of India in the absence of the president? Your right answer is vice president of India. Which of the following is a famous science fiction books? Your right answer is Surya Theory. Option B is your correct answer. India Constitution prohibits the employment of children under dash years of age. Your right answer is 14 years. Option A is your correct answer. Who among the following has plundered and destroyed other temples 17 times along with the famous Somnath temple in their attacks? Your right answer is Muhammad Ghazni. Option B is your correct answer. The famous Borobudur temple is dedicated to dash. Your right answer is Buddha. Option D is your correct answer. Which functionality is called as the percentage of total space filled with particles? Your right answer is packing functionality. Option A is your correct answer. The full name of AKFI regulatory board is dash. Your right answer is Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is not a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Delhi? Your right answer is Elephanta Cave. Your right answer is option A. Which method is used to convert unit of one system into another system? Your right answer is quantification analysis. Option C is your correct answer. Without a bill, sanctioning a bill by the president and not returning it, it is called dash pending for an identified period of time. Your right answer is pocket veto. Option D is your correct answer. The total number of members in the Rajya Sabha is dash. Your right answer is 250. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following region have been the highest percentage of forestry? Your right answer is Mizoram. Option B is your correct answer. In 1945, the people plan was prepared by dash. Your right answer is M.N. Roy. Option B is your correct answer. In which country did the 2018 Commonwealth Game tournament be held? Your right answer is Australia. Option B is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class, question of 50. Which of these famous city was formed by Firoz Shah Tughlaq? Your right answer is Hijaz. Option D is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.